Hello there and welcome to your mid-morning forecast this Tuesday. Well, today a weather warning in force for Western Scotland, South East Scotland and North East England for damaging gusts. Elsewhere it's rain or showers pretty much, and it will be a mild day, the mildest day of the week. So let's take a look at the detail. First of all, the warning zones for western parts of Scotland, as well as I said, border regions down towards Pennine districts, the Yorkshire Dales perhaps even. And here we'd like to see gusts up to 50-60 miles an hour, but an exposure particularly towards the west, and where we see the highest gusts, they could reach 70 miles an hour. So all in all, the combination of the wind and the rain making for some tricky driving as we head through Tuesday morning into the afternoon. You can see where the rain is covering the northern half of the UK. Clearer skies perhaps down towards the southeast for a time, always a feed of cloud further west and some drizzly rain. But the most moderate bursts likely across Scotland, Northern Ireland, moving in across the northwest of England, where across Cumbria as well as Lancashire we're likely to see some quite high rainfall totals here. But it's the wind which is the key feature of our weather as we head through Tuesday afternoon. Some gusty winds, not only across the western side, but pretty much anywhere across Scotland, where we will see those gusts, as I said, up to 50-60 miles an hour generally. But temperatures will be on the mild side, extremely mild across the northeast of Scotland, up to around 14 or 15 Celsius. All change overnight tonight and into tomorrow as that front moves down towards the southeast, taking with it the cloud as well as the rain, clearer skies behind and showers feeding in on a blustery westerly wind across Scotland and Northern Ireland, with we're likely to see some winteriness above around 400 metres. Temperatures then dipping lower as we head through the early hours of Wednesday morning, down to around 4 or 5 Celsius. In the Glens of Scotland, we could see temperatures close to freezing. Further south, though, still on the mild side, 8 to 11 degrees Celsius, with a legacy of cloud as we approach Wednesday morning. Through Wednesday then, that clears again down towards the southeast, so we'll see some brighter skies, a quieter day all round, but it will feel chilly in that wind, particularly for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, and those showers continue to feed in on that brisk breeze. However, later, thickening cloud will bring the first of some outbreaks of rain to the West Country and central southern England. That cloud streams ahead of it, so we'll lose the sun here, hanging on to brighter skies for North Wales, eastern England, eastern Scotland, seeing some sunshine through the afternoon. But if you are out and about, you'll have to wrap up warm. You'll notice the difference in the air temperature, a good 5 degrees lower. And then the rain becomes a bit more intensive as we head through the latter part of Wednesday. All courtesy of an area of low pressure which will track in through Wednesday night into Thursday. Ahead of it, a ridge, so it will be a cold night through the latter part of Wednesday. It's going to a cold start to Thursday morning up across the Glens of Scotland. Elsewhere, though, as you can see, this wet and windy weather will bring winds, well, they will intensify. In fact, the Met Office has issued a warning through the early hours of Thursday morning for gusts up to 50-60 miles an hour across much of Wales, the bulk of central and northern England. And the winds will pick up some strength across Northern Ireland and southern Scotland through Thursday morning. Ahead of it, quieter skies to start the day, but associated with this weather front will be some wet and windy weather. So if you are driving on Wednesday evening, it's worth noting there'll be some heavy rain around, lots of surface water on the roads and that driving wind pushing up towards the north, and over the highest peaks we could see that rain turning to snow as it hits the colder air overnight into Thursday morning. So a wet and windy start to the day. By then the rain would have cleared more southern areas of England and Wales, but we will still be in a windy regime, but we will see some brighter skies, and that rain then pushes up towards the Northern Isles through the latter part of Thursday. So all in all, our weather remains mobile, wet and windy, and it will turn colder, particularly in the north. Bye-bye.